Hello everyone, we are going to talk about EasyModel, an innovative tool for creating dental models from intraoral scans, proposed by AI for Dental. As a dental technician, you are increasingly asked to work digitally. You have spent hours cleaning digital impressions, making cuts, and creating supports to make models. At AI for Dental, we know how tedious and time-consuming this can be, especially when you start from scans with so many artifacts. That's why we created EasyModel, an artificial intelligence-based tool that automates these tasks to make the model you want from raw scans. You can then finally focus on your job as a prosthetist with high value-added tasks. So let me introduce you to EasyModel, the tool that will change the way you work. With EasyModel, the creation of a digital model is done in 4 simple and fast steps. First, you need to upload your scan files. All intraoral scanners on the market are compatible with EasyModel. In Step 2, select the type of model you want to make. In Step 3, specify the parameters, such as the type of support or the gum filling. Finally, in Step 4, start the treatment. After only 1 minute, your model is ready to be downloaded for printing or as a basis for your CAD work. So don't wait any longer to try EasyModel and join our community of satisfied users. Go to ai4dental.com, click on the registration link in the menu bar and enter your information. With this no-obligation registration, you will receive a free credit that will allow you to create up to 100 models. Try it, we are sure you will be delighted by the comfort and the time saving provided by the tool. So free yourself from tedious tasks and concentrate on the essentials of your profession as a prosthetist.